VCT Yearbook and Bryan City Schools thanks you for your support.
Good morning, Bryan City Schools. Congratulations, girls bowling state champs. Faith Harding was first team all honors, finishing in 3rd place. Team members include Emma Meade, Jade Easley, Gabi Bany, Alex Firm, Jade Easley, Zebi Sanders, and Jessica Federspiel. Congrats, ladies.
The boys basketball team is sectional champs after beating St. Mary's 46-39. Titus, Rohrer, and Reese Jackson combined for 29 points in the win. The boys will play at districts at Ohio Northern University this Wednesday at 6:15. If you plan on going, buy your tickets pre-sale as the athletic department gets to keep 40% of the in-school sales. Presale tickets are $6 for adults, $4 for students, and all tickets at the door are $7. The times can be found in the description of this video.
Bryan High School Wrestling had a solid showing at the sectional wrestling meet in Defiance. Dylan McCandless is a sectional champ, also qualifying for districts are Christian Hollister and Carter Hoffman. Good luck, guys.
The BHS Winter Blood Drive is Wednesday. You have to sign up ahead of time and can do so by seeing Mrs. Elster or Mrs. Nothin. Each time you give blood, you have to have a new form turned in until you are 17 years old. Help save a life. Give blood.
Attention seniors, graduation announcements will be delivered today at lunch. Make sure your order is paid in full and you have exact change.
Looking for a great job this summer? Any high school boy interested in being an ump for the Bryan Baseball Rec program, please see Mr. Inselman.
Attention juniors, if you are interested in attending the Northway State Community College Fair on Wednesday, March 11th, please sign up at Mrs. Bassett's office. Please sign up by Friday, March 6th. Have a good day.